What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this new Sigma 16 to 28mm f2.8 lens. So I basically bought this lens to do most of my vlogging content with, because I want to get those wide field of view with in my videos, because doing vlogging videos I want to include a lot of people, a lot of subject inside my videos, and I think that 16 to 28 is a great focal length to do most of my vlog type videos. So I basically go with this off-market lens, Sigma to be exact, and I'm just gonna unbox it so you guys can see what's inside, how it look with the wide angle view. I'm gonna test it so you guys can see the quality of it. So right now on this camera I'm using the prime lens, the Sony prime lens, which is 28 to 60mm f4 up to 5.6 stop, and this is gonna give me a more wider view. So right now the focal length I'm recording on that prime lens, or kit lens I should say, is 28, is the lowest it can go. This one gonna bring me down to at least 16. So I'm gonna unbox it so you guys can see what's inside and test to see how it works. So as you guys can see the unboxing, you can go into manual focus, you can go into autofocus as you can see right here. You can switch this ring to basically switch the focus of it right here. Switch, manual, auto, and it uses the Sony E mount. You can see that's how it basically looks. Alright guys, so this is the lens that I've just unboxed so you guys can basically see, which is a Sigma lens, and I'm gonna do most of my vlogging with this lens right here. I'm gonna do some more follow-up videos to test it, bring it against its face in different situations, different lighting condition, and different aspect outdoor, because this lens mostly used outdoor because of its wide angle. So in this video I'm going to test it inside the studio right here so you guys can have an idea how it looks and the field of view and the shutter depth of field with this lens right here. And it go low down up aperture of 2.8, which is really good in low light condition. It basically better than the prime lens I'm using. So right now I'm using the 28 to 60mm lens, which is the kit lens, and the Sony ZV-E one right here. I'm just going to test this one to see how wide this can go inside my studio setup right here, and I'm gonna test it right now. Put it on, let you guys see. And as you guys can see right now, I'm using the Sigma lens right here. This is the quality of a lens that I'm using. I'm gonna see which focal length I have it onto. So I'm gonna bring it down to the lowest. Let me see right here, 16. So this is the view right here guys of the 16mm lens, and I can go up as close up as possible to this lens right here. So it basically punchy and give me a more wider background. You can see the things going on right there inside my background with this lens right here. It's really wide, and this is a great focal length for vlogging. I can basically hold the camera right here, arm's length, and basically vlog. I can put more than one person into my frame and all those things. Good for landscape photography, and it performs well in low light condition. And this is how the lens looks. So I'm gonna zoom in right now, show you guys. You can see, you can zoom in right up to 28, and this was the lens I was using at the prime lens. So you guys get the idea of this lens right here, and it's really great guys. So I have my product up right there. How to focus. Focusing right now on the subject, on and off. Defocus. As you guys can see, really great. And I love that this lens can basically zoom in and zoom out with that right focal length. So this right now is on 20. Yeah, I think 20 is a good focal length as well in terms of you want to vlog. And yeah, I find this lens real interesting. I'm going to do this lens do most of my vlogging with. And yeah, I think this is a great focal length in my video to get those wide angle shots. I'm going to do some tests as well with some photos, show you guys basically how it's perform with photos of taking pictures. I think this will be really sharp of photos like landscape and those things, which is a great lens to have in your kit to carry around, especially if you're a person that do traveling and want to get those wide angle shots of a lot of people, a lot of building, a lot of landscape and those things. With this lens right here, super perfect, work really well. Alright, right now guys, I'm outside and I'm testing right now the Sigma 16-28mm lens outside in a vlogging style condition. So right now I'm at 16mm, that's the farthest I can go, and you can see guys, I have this great looking landscape footage. Right now it is kind of overcast right now, and I'm out here vlogging on the lens right here, just to give you guys an idea of how this lens actually looks. Right, I'm walking, the stabilization in this is an active, so it's not really punching a bit with this camera right here, and this lens is really great to show you guys. So if I punch into 28, this is out it actually looks, which is really close, and I don't want to go that close if I want to have that wide angle view with my videos. As you can see, 16, perfect focal length for vlogging, and this lens gonna work well if your vlogging is not really that heavy and compact, basically light. I don't want to say light, but if you're holding up this for quite a few times, your hand might get really tired, but it will get the job done, because you just do some talking like this if you're vlogging, and it will get the job done guys. And as you can see, we have this wide field of view right here with this lens. It's really great, perfect for these outdoor situation. And I have catch a couple shots of some photos with this, so you guys can see those photos right now up on the screen. And yeah, I love this lens right here guys, pretty stable for outdoor situation like this.